My name is Cristina Daura. I'm from Barcelona and I'm an illustrator. I work in newspapers, editorial, do a lot of posters, nightclubs, books. This year has been crazy. I did 5 album covers. And it's also one of the things that I like the most is working with music stuff. Any project that comes that is the weirdest, I always say yes. I prefer it, yeah. This is like the border of the city. And this is where I grew up. And we're going that way. When I was a kid, I was always with my notebook. I was drawing while watching TV, while on the car. I couldn't live without a notebook. I was like constant. I also lived next to an amusement park, which for a kid is like the best of the best. It's one of these places that even though it's like old and creepy, it's like nice. There's a lot of primary colors there. The smell of the place even, it's like sweet all the time. For me, it's very special. It is a part of my influence, mainly because I really appreciate where I come from. Like, it's a very important thing in my life. And that park built my childhood. I think you can feel Barcelona in my work. In a sense, like the light and the colors are kind of related to that, as well as the humor, which is also very cynical and very dark humor. So I think it's also something that appears in my work. When I'm working on a project, I usually sketch first. I even write stuff. I even insult people, make a love letter, whatever. Then I draw it on paper with pencil. I take a photo with my phone and then go to Photoshop and ink it. When everything is in black and white, I just work out the color palette. So color explains another story. It has their own life, their own narrative. And I found out that primary colors work kind of better with the emotions as well. Red can be violent, but at the same time can be like love. A lot of my illustrations are inside jokes with friends, but I try to use symbols that anyone can relate to them. Closed door and an open door with fire in it, the smiley face, a key. I like to use rocks. There's also like a small face of a duck. The duck is like the mastermind of everything in my work. I didn't know you could be an artist. No one in my family is an artist, so it was weird, like you could do this as a profession. For me, drawing it's not working. For me, it's like something inside me that keeps me going. Drawing is what keeps me alive.